Hey guys, Nick Miller here today from Mark Supply Company. Today for you a very nice find. This is a 2001 New Holland LS170. It was manufactured April the 6th. I called, run the serial number, checked some things out on it. Best to my knowledge, it is a one owner. It was a dealer trade on a new machine. He was a small home builder. This thing had 1,177 hours on it, and I do believe them 100%. The thing is clean, it is straight. And I also got a cat that had come from him that has like 300 hours on it. But there's some little spots I want to show everybody. We're going to do our normal thing we normally do, but over the time he did touch up. This isn't fresh, we didn't do it. There were some little spots, you can see where he touched, but the majority of all the paint is original. Look at the back door here. It is nice, it is square. There's still zinc plating on the bolt. I mean, the little thing is just an absolutely very nice skid loader. The only thing that we did do a full service. This overflow jug had basically the plastic's unaged and had a crack in it, so we went ahead and put brand new one of those on from New Holland, including the lid. We did change all the fillers and oils. Up underneath here, for some reason, this paint come off of this, and you can see where he actually repainted it with some New Holland yellow, and that's what these drips are here on the hose, is from this panel he repainted. New Holland N844T Shibaro 4-cylinder diesel engine, turbocharged. They're 52 horse. Motor runs great. There's no blow-by. There is no issues that we have found, period, with this machine. It is a very clean machine. The side panels, all that stuff is original paint, but that's what we seen here was this material here. Looks like he did try to, touch it up and did make a little bit of a mess there. Cab is straight, radiator is straight, all the door fins, they're usually all freaking beat up. Because let's face it, these machines right now, I'm seeing them with 5,000, 6,000, 7,000 hours on them. These were a very popular machine. We did the same thing here. It's just where the paint chipped. Decals are all original. We did put 4 brand new tires on it, and he did touch up his rims. We did not do that. But you can see here where everything is nice and straight. The factory decals are still on the chaining points. In behind the chain case here is nice. Here's one thing that is always bent, mangled, and twisted is these fenders on a New Holland. We put a brand new 66-inch bucket on it. Up front, it's nice and clean. It's a CID Extreme bucket, by the way. Standard 2-pin quick catch, and everything does work there. There's no issues. Somebody should give me heck for not flipping that one off. Standard two auxiliary hydraulics. Aside from that paint stuff he had touched up there where it was skin up, he did. I mean, you can see it's been some time ago. You'll see here this side matches that. The other side, again, fenders are nice and straight. It is just an extremely clean little machine. Inside the cab, normal LS170. Seats excellent. Across the roof, everything there is nice. Headlight bezels, everything are very good. All the lights work. All the foot pedals are nice and tight. The bushings in them aren't all boogered up. 1,178 hours. 1,177 when we took it. I'll go ahead and start it. We'll run through all the stuff. 144 degrees on temp. Tack. Headlight switch for both. Headlight for just the front. Headliners in the cabin, nice. It's charging. Throttle's good. But it is a very nice, clean little LS170, and I feel 100%. I can't see where anything was ever changed in the dash. I believe it because it's just that nice, a straight little machine. But I'd like somebody to come check it out, see what you say. But watch this video. We're gonna go ahead and start the machine up, run it, work it, do everything we can make it do, and show you everything works the way it's supposed to. Here we go. friction disc in here. They just have a nut and a spring. I'll tighten that up so that it shouldn't do that. And that's all it is. We'll make sure that that's right. If it needs a friction disc, we'll take care of it. So again, it's 1,178 hours. All the lights work. Very, very nice, clean LS170. They are getting very hard to find. This is a serial number 170911. Like I said, I called New Holland dealer, our local dealer, and we run the serial number at manufacturer date April 6, 2001. I believe it was an 03, then they went to the different design of these, and I think then they turned into an L170. But these are a great machine, very tough. Predecessor to this would have been the LX665, which was a black boom. But we put 4 brand new tires. We've done the service. That's just something we missed, and I will take care of that throttle, and I apologize about that in the video. But I'm sure we'll have a whole bunch of keyboard warriors out there. Oh, the throttle didn't stay open. Oh, I'm sorry. It's a piece of equipment. Things happen, but we will make sure that's taken care of. So this thing has not one stitch of aftermarket welding. It's not broke. The steering, you know, generally in a New Holland, when they get hours on them, there is some linkage in the steering on the New Hollands. You get up 3,000, 4,000, 5,000 hours, they get a lot of play in them. This is very nice and tight, which it should be for an 1,100-hour machine, and especially in the foot controls. They're very good and tight, which, you know, everything about this machine leads me 100% to believe it's accurate. These rub plates right here, generally machines that have a lot of hours on them, when I was illustrating that to you, when I was turning, the boom was not going like this. On 4,000 or 5,000 hour machines, they get wear in all of their pivot pins, and that whole boom will move. And you'll see where these arms are wearing against the sides of the cabs. There's nothing like that. And that's 110% why I believe this is a true original 1,178 hour machine, and the machine 100% shows that. But come look at it, check it out, watch our video. We took a ton of pictures of this machine, rightfully so. We're one of the only guys, we pull engine covers. We try to do everything we can for your purchase experience to accurately show a machine. So if you have any questions, 814-658-3066. Please check out our website, www.marksupplyco.com. See us on Tractor House, Machinery Trader, and on eBay at Mark Supply 88. As always, thank you very much for checking out Mark Supply Company. Have a great day.